Thank you for joining. We'll wait for a few minutes for people to join. Thank you all for joining. Namaskaram. Welcome to Shrews Eternity Sunday Live. Today I'll be showing you semi-patola, koras. We have Pochampally silk cottons, pure silk cottons with silk borders. We have soft silks to be showcased in today's video. We also have Murshidabad silk in today's video. People who would like to buy these sarees, there'll be a link that will be posted in the comment section. Once the live session is over, you can click on the link to look at all these sarees. The link will be active only post the live session is over. So you can also simultaneously log on to www.shrewseternity.com under live section. You'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Please click on the tab post the live session is over to look at all the sarees that I showcase in today's video. People who would like to get stitching and embroidery done, we do it only for prepaid orders. So please go ahead with your order first and then fill in the Google form with your measurements. If at all you have any queries, you can always ping us in our WhatsApp number. So as you all know, we have the JOG, the joy of giving 5% off on all our products. So please avail this offer till this month end. Let's get started. So before we start, what I'm wearing today is a semi-silk cotton block printed saree. If you'd like to see more of this, please watch out our video tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning. Let's see what we have for today. So let's start with our semi-patola sarees. All these are going to be priced at 1980. I'll be showing you 4 to 5 sarees. So first is going to be a greyish violet color with beautiful woven jerry borders on either side of the saree. The whole body has nice patola designs in it. A jerry pallu in light peach. And a self-printed peach color blouse. This is priced at 1980. Thank you all for joining. Next we have a peach, a plain body with beautiful patola designed borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty saree, very different and an elegant color combination. It's a peach with a green. Beautiful woven patola designs in the borders. A nice green color patola designed pallu and a self-printed green color blouse. Priced at 1980. Next we have a blue. Very pretty designs. All over the body you have nice patola designs in it. It's a light blue with dark blue combination. Jerry borders on either sides of the saree. A very pretty peacock blue color printed pallu and a self-printed peacock blue color blouse. Priced at 1980. So people at Chennai can drop into our store, which is at number 27 Hindi Prachar Sabha Street, T Nagar. Our new shop is at T Nagar, so you can drop into our store anytime. Working hours would be 10 to 8. And we work all days. Next we have a peachish orange with beautiful bird buttas all over the body. Jari woven borders on either side of the saree. A double shaded purplish violet color printed pallu and a self printed purple color blouse. Priced at 1980. Next we have a green with a peach. Priced at 1980 again. Beautiful patola designs all over the body. And it's got a tissue border with patola designs in it again. A very pretty patola designed pallu and a self-printed brown color blouse. Priced at 1980. Next we have Koras. Priced at 1980 again. This is going to be a beautiful bottle green with blue combination. The whole of the body has jari woven manga buttas, very pretty woven borders on either sides of the saree. As you can see, a beautiful blue color jari pallu and a plain blue color blouse. Priced at 1980. Next we have an overall creeper design in a light army green combination, army green color. The whole body has beautiful silver jari woven patterns, creeper patterns all over the body. It's a borderless saree. It's a single tone saree basically, and that's going to be the pallu, and it comes with a plain army green color blouse. Priced at 1980. All these Kora look very rich and they are very lightweight sarees. Next we have a checkered design in Kora. This is priced at 1980 again. Beautiful checks with round jari woven buttas all over. Very pretty gold borders on either sides of the saree. It's a multicolored checkered pattern all over the body. Comes with a jari pallu in pink and a checkered plain blouse. Priced at 1980. Next we have a thread woven pattern all over the body. Priced at 2280. It's got a beautiful jari border in pink on either sides of the saree. A very pretty dark blue color body with beautiful teal color thread woven patterns all over the body. It comes with a jari woven pallu in navy blue and a plain navy blue color blouse. This is priced at 2280. The last one in Kora, we have a black with a pink combination. Priced at 1980. Comes with a pink color border on either sides of the saree. The whole body has beautiful jari woven peacock buttas, as you can see. Very pretty borders on either sides, and that's going to be the jari pallu in black and a plain black color blouse. Priced at 1980. Next we have Pochampally silk cotton sarees, priced at 3690. So this is a beautiful mustard yellow with green combination. Plain green color jari borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty Pochampally designed body. A woven pallu in bottle green and a plain bottle green color blouse. Priced at 3690. Next we have a pink with a black combination, priced at 3890. This is a bigger border with beautiful woven designs in the borders as well. Very pretty Pochampally designs all over the body, as you can see. That's going to be the whole body. A woven pallu in black and a plain black color blouse. Priced at 3890. Next we have a double shaded green with a purple combination. Beautiful woven borders in purple on either sides of the saree along the borders, and very pretty woven body, a woven pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse. Priced at 3890. Moving on to our silk cotton collections. So all these are going to be priced at 4990. So the body is silk cotton and it comes with Korvai Jari borders. So first is going to be a nice Mambara yellow with a copper sulphate blue combination. Very pretty Mailkand borders on either sides of the saree in blue. A beautiful Jari pallu in copper sulphate blue and a plain blue color blouse. Priced at 4990. Next we have a light pink with a purple combination, priced at 4990. The borders of the saree have beautiful peacock buttas. Plain body in pink, excellent color combination. A Jari pallu in purple and a plain magenta purple color blouse. Priced at 4990. Next we have a light green with a bottle green combination, priced at 4990. It has got a beautiful woven Jari borders on either side of the saree. Very pretty Korvai borders. So those of you who wanted small borders in silk cotton, these sarees are for you, ideal for you. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful Jari pallu in bottle green and a plain bottle green color blouse. Priced at 4990. Next we have a Mandulur green with a pink combination, priced at 4990. Excellent color combination, a very traditional color combination in a beautiful green and pink. Very pretty woven borders on either sides of the saree, and that's going to be the pallu, a Jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse. Priced at 4990. Next we have a red with a green combination, a checkered pattern, priced at 4790. It's got a retapet border on either sides of the saree with round coin buttas. Beautiful checkered body in red on either sides. A beautiful green color Jari pallu and a striped green color blouse. A red with a nice green. Priced at 4790. This is a nice arakku with multicolor pallu. Beautiful gold Jari borders on either sides of the saree, as you can see. A striped pallu and a plain orange color blouse. Priced at 4590. Next we have an orangish pink shade. Again with plain borders, Jari borders, and multicolor pallu. And a beautiful bottle green color blouse. That's going to be the whole body. And a very pretty striped multicolor pallu and a plain bottle green color blouse. Priced at 4590. Next we have a black, a very pretty black. Gold Jari borders on either sides of the saree. A multicolor pallu and a plain blue color blouse. Priced at 4590. Moving on to our soft silk collection. First is going to be a pink with a blue combination. Priced at 7680. It's a beautiful borderless saree. Very pretty copper Jari woven buttas, floral buttas all over the body in dark pink. And a very pretty Jari woven pallu in blue and a plain blue color blouse. Priced at 7680. Next we have a mustard with an orangish pink. Priced at 7980. Comes with a pink color border on either sides along with jari. And the whole of the body has beautiful peacock jari woven buttas, as you can see. And a very pretty jari pallu in pink. Plain pink color blouse. This is priced at 7890. Next we have Pochampally patterns on soft silk, priced at 7680. It's a nice blue with an orangish pink shade. Gold jari borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty Pochampally patterns all over the body in blue and orange. And a woven pallu in orangish pink and a plain orangish pink color blouse. Priced at 7680. Next we have a pink with a dark navy blue. Priced at 7980. It's got a beautiful navy blue color border on either side of the saree with Pochampally designs in it. And a beautiful woven body in dark orangish pink. And a nice navy blue color woven pallu and a plain navy blue color blouse. Priced at 7980. Next we have a green with pink combination. Priced at 7980. So this is going to have a tricolor combination. The upper portion of the saree has a nice orange. The lower half has a nice green. Comes with pink color jari borders on either sides of the saree. A very pretty woven pallu in pink. A plain pink color blouse. Priced at 7980. Next we have a nice navy blue with green combination. Priced at 9250. This has got a plain gold color border on either sides on the top portion of the saree. And the whole of the body has beautiful jari woven buttas. The lower half of the saree has a nice woven border in green. It's a nice sea green. A beautiful teal blue color jari pallu and a plain teal color blouse. Priced at 9250. Next we have a green with a purple combination. Priced at 9450. It's got a beautiful purple color border on either sides of the saree. Jari woven buttas all over the body. Very pretty jari pallu in purple. A plain purple color blouse. Priced at 9450. Next we have a black with a maroon combination. Priced at 8950. Comes with a beautiful gold thin strip of gold jari borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty abstract designs all over the body in both gold and silver. Very pretty saree. A beautiful floral jari pallu in silver jari in maroon and a plain maroon color blouse. Priced at 8950. Next we have a peacock green with a maroonish purple combination. Priced at 10,450. It's a very rich saree. The whole of the body has nice peacock buttas and beautiful floral buttas running all over the body. Comes with a purplish maroon color border on either sides of the saree along with the checkered chakra borders and a very richly woven jari pallu in a purplish maroon and a plain purplish maroon color blouse. This is priced at 10,450. So we have the last saree in today's video. The MRP is 4680. The deal price is 3680. This is a green with a red combination. It's a semi-Banarasi sari, gold border in the upper portion. The whole of the body has nice Meena Jaryovan buttas. Very pretty woven borders on either sides in the lower half. That's going to be the pallu that continues in the pallu in red, and this comes with a plain red color blouse. It's a nice semi-Banarasi sari. It's got a beautiful flow. Priced at 3680. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining. I think the link is active. You can go ahead with your purchase. You can also simultaneously log on to www.shrewseternity.com. Under Live Sarees, you'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Click on the tab to look at all these sarees. We also undertake stitching and embroidery, and we do it only for prepaid orders. So please go ahead with your order first. Fill in the Google form with your measurements. If at all you have any queries, you can always get in touch with us in our WhatsApp number. People at Chennai, please don't forget to drop into our store, which is at number 27 Hindi Prachar Sabha Street, T Nagar. All our patrons watching us overseas, we have resumed our video calling facility. You can book your appointments in our WhatsApp number, which is 900-300-3841. And finally, we have the JOG, the Joy of Giving 5% off back this summer. So please avail the offer and enjoy shopping with Shrews. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.